guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and I'm in the middle of a blizzard here in New Jersey. We just got 2 feet of snow. Here's the snow in the garbage can, and we're still getting some more snow. Whoa. So forgive the wind noise, nothing I can do about it. It's a blizzard. Look how much is on the car here. Jesus. Wow. Sorry, M2. Had to put some cars in the garage. And this has already been shoveled. So this is how much fell after. So we got a good 2 feet here. Winds up to 50 miles an hour. So if you hear the camera rattling or terrible wind noise, sorry, but there's not much I can do about it. It's a blizzard. Just wanted to get this on camera. Like, look how deep this snow is here. I'm 6 feet tall, and obviously this has been plowed over, but oh geez, it's so windy. So I hope you guys are enjoying today. Maybe you're at work, maybe you live someplace warm where you're at the beach, but this is how it is in northern New Jersey today. 2 feet of snow. We got some good videos coming up for you. We got the M2 10-month review coming up. You just saw our 6-month review of the GLA 45 AMG. Nobody cares about the Jeep, otherwise I would make some Jeep videos. But a lot of exciting stuff coming up on the channel, so please remember to share these videos. Please remember to give a thumbs up on every video, and please remember to give a positive comment below. All those help me rise in the rankings. And of course, remember to subscribe, and that allows me to keep making videos. So thanks again, guys. I'm going to put this camera away before it gets ruined, but this is what 2 feet of snow looks like in 20-degree weather and 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So be safe wherever you are, and I hope you're in a warmer place than I am. We'll see you soon. Thanks again for watching.